So you've decided to start a YouTube channel. Although you can absolutely shoot on your phone and upload directly to YouTube, taking the time to run your footage through an editing program before you export it will give your videos an extra level of professionalism. This video will inform you about some of the best editing software in no time. So let's dig in. 10. Canva. If you are a beginner looking for easy-to-use video editing software, then you can choose to work on Canva. This video editing tool is free to download and easy to use on phones, PC, tablets, and laptops. You can create any type of video, export, schedule, and publish it anywhere. With Canva, you can resize your videos into different formats for various social media platforms. All you must do is drag and drop them on a timeline and easily trim, split, and resize clips, all within one editor. You can get creative by adding more graphic elements and colorful texts to your movie or video as add-ons. In addition, music and voiceovers look more impressive when it comes to making videos, so you can top them off with some sound effects to finish them. 9. Veed. It is a perfect software for those looking for a free and simple online video editor. One great way to begin is through uploading your own video or using one of the many built-in templates. With a user-friendly interface, you can easily add text, images, and effects to your video. You do not need prior knowledge of video editing to use Veed.io, and you could use this ideal software for work or for fun. This software works as a great video converter. This feature helps you convert your videos into any format, regardless of whether it's MP4, AVI, or MOV for smartphones. With Veed.io, you can handle all of these conversions with just one click. Another cool feature of this software is that it has video transcriptions, which is one of the easiest ways to turn your videos to texts. This web-based application provides you with exact results that help you search, share, and transcribe more files with ease. You can resize your videos on Veed.io with better quality. It also loads fast. 8. Pinnacle Studio. Pinnacle Studio from Corel is another good choice for beginners editing YouTube videos. This reliable professional video editing software is not as powerful as some of the other titles on this list, but its nicely organized and user-friendly interface makes it good for first-timers. Once you've spent a bit of time with it, you can graduate to more advanced features at the higher price tier, including keyframing controls, dynamic video masking, and 360 VR editing. Plus, the latest version, Pinnacle Studio 25, added smart object tracking, new blend modes, enhanced video masking, and improved performance overall. With the Alpha channel in Pinnacle Studio, new users, social media bloggers, YouTubers, and small business owners can effortlessly present branding in any video series. In short, if you're new to video editing, aren't already tied to either Adobe's or Apple's ecosystems, and are low on cash, Pinnacle Studio is well worth investigating. 7. Corel Video Studio Ultimate. This software provides a comprehensive range of video editing features that are easy to use, even for newbies. It includes a variety of video editing tools, such as removal of distortion on action camera footage and with video collage templates, that lets you combine many videos into a single layout. You can also edit 360-degree video and then export it to YouTube directly. Using instant project templates, you insert clips into these templates, which can mimic the aesthetic of viral videos. In recent versions of Corel Draw, the masking features have been improved. The newest tool version allows you to adjust masks with keyframes and build them in a new interface that eliminates the need of clips. Instead, you use the specialized mask creator to upload the clips. The new AR stickers take a page from mobile messaging, enabling you to put bunny ears and glasses on your face. AR stickers are also available in Windows 10's Photos app. However, they aren't face-aware. The Videostudio feature is similar to what you'd see in Snapchat or Facebook Messenger video chats. 6. Filmora. Filmora is a popular video editing software for those who wish to focus on editing and producing high-quality 4K videos. It's a reasonably priced product featuring tools for both video and audio editing. When it comes to styling, adding effects, and customizing videos, it provides a great number of options. This is the simplest keyframing experience available, thanks to editable presets. One click is all it takes to fade one audio track under another using this great feature. With its color matching feature, you can take color settings from one clip and apply them to a bunch of clips. 5. Cyberlink Powerdirector 365. The video editing software Powerdirector from Cyberlink bridges the gap between professional editing and user-friendliness. It has been ahead of many pro products/tools quite often in terms of support for new features and technologies. It offers a robust set of video editing tools inside an easy-to-use interface. That makes this program a great tool for YouTubers looking for something in the middle area between iMovie and Premiere Pro. Powerdirector offers extremely fast rendering and access to tons of presets and effects that make it easy to piece together an engaging video edit without having tons of prior experience. The program also offers editors a huge catalog of royalty-free music and access to stock footage from Getty Images and Shutterstock. A real win for YouTubers who film most of their creative content from the comfort of their home studio. Licensing footage and music can be a pricey hassle without a resource like this. 4. Apple iMovie. iMovie is a video editing software for iOS and macOS that can be used to build a complete story. It's possible to do it with credit rolls, studio logos, photographs, and videos. iMovie is designed specifically for Apple gadgets such as the iPad, iPad 2, iPhone 4, Mac, and iPod 4. You also gain access to themes and templates that you can edit for your own trailer. 3. InVideo. If you're looking for the best video editor for YouTube, you can choose the InVideo video editing software. This video editor has over 7 million customers in over 190 countries. The InVideo YouTube video editor is easy to use and contains a lot of editing features. 2. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro offers pro-level editing tools for YouTube video editors inside an extremely user-friendly package. This is a great place to start for new video editors. If you've cut your chops using a free program like iMovie and are looking for something that will give you a little more creative freedom, Final Cut Pro is a great place to turn. The interface offers a familiar feel that subtly introduces more advanced features for those who want it. It's used by plenty of popular YouTubers, and if you're operating on a Mac OS, the program is certainly much faster and less prone to crashing than Adobe's editing programs, meaning you can get your content editing together and published online that much quicker. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is the #1 video editing software. This is a cross-platform software and is packed with great features and flexible collaboration tools that lets its users unleash their creativity. This desktop application is used by YouTubers and even used by Hollywood video makers. It allows users to transform raw footage into absolutely beautiful video products.